Thank you very much, Senator McCaskill. Next, we will turn to the senators from South Carolina, who will introduce to the committee Judge Cain. Senator Graham.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Senator McCaskill has a bias. I have a big one. Tim used to be my law partner, and I hope he can get confirmed in spite of that. He's been a family court judge for 11 years, I think. And you talk about the ability to make hard decisions fairly quickly. That's the ultimate legal experience, I think, is to be a family court judge sitting over child custody cases, dealing with abused children complaints, trying to be fair when it comes to economic equities of a marriage that's broken. You really meet the human condition in family court in every way possible. And how he did this for 11 years, I'll never know. He's a far better man than I am. And let me tell you, I think most people in South Carolina would say that Tim Cain is one of the best lawyers and judges we've ever produced. His wife, Renee, is a social worker, also a very dear friend. She has seen a tough side of life. So we're going to have a man go on the bench in South Carolina, I hope, who's seen just about everything you could see and has tried to be as fair as possible. And what more contentious issue than deciding who gets a child? And every lawyer, almost without exception, would tell you that he did his job in the most outstanding fashion. He was a city attorney. He was a county attorney. So he understands local government issues and how it is to advise politicians, which I wouldn't wish on anybody legally. He's been an assistant prosecutor and assistant public defender. So he's sat on both sides. He understands what it's like to defend somebody, and he also understands what it's like to represent a victim of crime. He was chosen by our Supreme Court Chief Justice, Jean Toll, to sit on our Supreme Court for a period of time when an opening became available, which I think spoke volumes, which I believe speaks volumes about Tim's legal ability and respect. He was qualified by the ABA without exception. His son, Martin, got a new suit for this hearing. We went to dinner last night, got a new sports jacket, so this was good for the economy, Mr. Chairman. And I want to thank President Obama. He certainly didn't have to do this. And Tim will be not a Republican judge, not a Democratic judge. He will be a lawyer's judge. I think he will administer justice at the federal level in a way that we could all be proud of. And we have a strong tradition in South Carolina of putting qualified people on the bench no matter what party's in power. And we're going to continue that tradition with Tim Cain. Literally one of the nicest people I've ever met in my life. And when this job is over as a senator, there's a lot of things you can look back on, hopefully to be proud of. Some mistakes we'll all make. But I can tell you without any doubt, one of the proudest moments I've had being a United States Senator from South Carolina is getting to introduce Tim, recommending him to the President, and hopefully getting to vote on the floor of the Senate soon for his confirmation. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.